art faces. Today I have a very special unboxing. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Oraloa canvas that came. This is my first canvas from Oraloa. I am an ambassador for them. I decided to become an ambassador for them because I kept seeing the canvases up close, unboxing videos from the France team and everything, and I was like, hey, yes, I will become an ambassador for them. So before we get started though, if you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Just gently tap it. Just very gently caress the subscribe button, and I post new videos on a regular basis. I have my deli machete that says BevB, and let's open it up. I'm going to try and make this a thorough unboxing. So if you don't like thorough unboxings, this isn't the video for you. But if you do like thorough unboxings, this is the video for you. So I want to try and make it so if you are trying to decide if you should invest in an Oraloa, this video should be able to help you. So we have it. It came in a box. And this was shipped from Canada, guys. They have shipping places in Canada and in France. So that's pretty neat. Ooh, here we have the box. So here it is, Oraloa. Look at their cute little mascot, dude. Diamond painting, broderie au diamants, piniture con diamond. Okay, I'm not even gonna try, sorry. So this is the box that it comes in. Here is the other side of the box. In all the languages. Here is the other side of the box. Islands of Art, so make sure you go follow them on social media. This is the end of the box. This is the other side of the box. All-inclusive premium kit. And here's the one that we got, Namaste by Laure Phelipon. 85 centimeters by 57 centimeters, and it is a round. And here's their social media information, and here is their website, licensed product for Oraloa, authorized distributor. So just so you guys know, these are licensed artists. As you can see, imagined in Canada, designed in France, made in China. And here at the end of the box, so if you do store your box laying downwards, this can be pointing out so you know which diamond painting is inside. I'm just going to close the deli machete. That is my cat. Mr. Cat, excuse me. I'm trying to film a video. So let's open up this box. I like that it shipped a box within a box. That's very good. Whoa, 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 what is all this stuff? Okay, so the box is empty. What does this say? This says, welcome to the Oraloa diamond painting craft. An amazing craft. It talks about the diamond painting chart, how to diamond paint, pretty much. Yes, how to diamond paint, instructions for care, and then on the other side, we have it in French. So basically, how to diamond paint and instructions for care. If you want to pause the video, you can right here and read through it. But I'm not going to read through the entire thing. Then we have some release papers or parchment papers. This is really handy. You can cut these down to whatever size you want. Wow. Okay, so if instead of using the plastic film, if you don't like the plastic film that comes on poured glue, because this is a poured glue canvas, you can actually use these parchment papers. Cut them down to whatever size you want, and then you can use them to cover up your sections. So that's really helpful. It's neat that comes with that. And wow, okay. So this is the thumbnail of the diamond painting that I ordered. Again, 85 by 57 centimeters. This is a label, a giant label sheet. So let's see if we can, yes. So it is a label sheet. That's really handy. So what you do is you can cut out these rows and put them on your diamond painting containers. And this one, it looks like, is 50 colors. That's a lot. Okay. That's a lot. I wasn't expecting it to be 50 colors. And again, this is a round diamond painting, so look at the schematic on here. I'm not a fan of how this is N, which is dark on top of a dark background, but we'll see how it looks on the canvas. There's another dark symbol on a dark background. and another dark symbol that's an E on a dark background, and another one which is like that wavy thing. I don't know what the wavy thing is. Do you guys know what that wavy thing is called? So again, we ordered Laure Phelipon, and it's called Namaste. Look how pristine this arrived. So this came within the box. I don't see any crumpling or anything like that. And I like how it has the artist name here. Let's open up this plastic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm excited, guys. I'm going to actually start working on this. Currently, I'm working on a special diamond painting, special drill project, but I'm going to work on this after. So let's take a look. Ooh, this is soft. I think it's like a soft lint canvas. There are some wrinkles on the back, but that should be fine. Oh my goodness. Okay. Before we look at the canvas, we'll look at the toolkit. I've never opened an Oraloa toolkit before, so let's take a look. You get a white phosphate. You get pointy tweezers. Make sure you keep the lid on or else you'll stab yourself. And there's hair. If you guys see hair in this video, it is either my hair or my black cat hair. I have 2 black cats. Sorry, I'm disgusting. I'm a hairy little beast. And then we have, ooh, a clear pen with a 3-placer. Also comes with another multi-placer. What is this? Like a 6-placer maybe? It doesn't say. So I'm going to guess like a 6-placer. I might be wrong. Don't quote me on that. Blue wax. I love blue wax. It comes with blue wax. 3 plates of blue wax in this little jar. That's really nice. And then we have a squishy for your hand. So if you're new to diamond painting, basically take your squishy, take your diamond painting pen, insert it like this. Okay. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not easy. You basically put it over the tip, and then it's comfortable for your hand. Because look at, I actually have a bump on my finger from diamond painting, but we won't go there. Anyways, off topic, as usual. So we'll put this stuff back in the container. That is our toolkit. This is a good basic toolkit. If you're new to diamond painting, this should be everything you need to start diamond painting. Of course, you can get fancy stuff. I will have a video coming out later, so make sure you subscribe. That's going to talk about what's in my diamond painting toolkit. Our drills come to us pre-packaged in Ziploc bags. So we'll take a look. So if you like kitting up, ooh, I see ABs. I spy my little eye. More ABs. What? I wonder how many ABs this has. So these drills come in baggies. So if you don't like kitting up in plastic containers, this drill kit or these drills are for you because they come in baggies. How useful. Now let's take a look at the canvas, what everyone's been waiting to look at. This is a big girl, so it's not going to fit in my entire screen, but we can look at the majority of her, and I will do a tour of the canvas. So I'm going to try and show you guys everything about this canvas because this is my first Oraloa, and this might be the first time you've seen it. Oraloa Island of Arts at the very top of the canvas. On the right hand side we have our thumbnail, and then the artist's name, and then the name of the canvas. It is scalloped edges, so it won't fray. It feels like, I think this is what they call a soft lint canvas. Like, it's not too thick, but it's not thin. The back is very soft, like velvety soft. I don't know what you would call it. And then here's the table of contents, or the schematic, whatever you want to call it. There's a DMC code along with the symbol and the number of color. And there's 50 colors again, and it looks like there's 2 ABs. I don't know why I didn't even pay attention to that when I pulled out that label sheet, but there are 2 ABs in this diamond painting. Wow, she's so beautiful. Wow, look at her braid and look at the flowers in her hair. There's butterflies. And then she's namasteing. She has tattoos. She's a little badass girl. Wow, I think this one will look really nice. I like the size of it. I like how it's charted, and I like that it's colorful. So let's take a look at the bottom of the canvas. On the bottom left, we have their social media links and their little dude logo. 57 by 85 centimeters. And then again, we have the schematic on the bottom right-hand side. So that will be helpful. And it says licensed product for Oraloa, authorized distributor. So this is a licensed image. We'll take a closer look at the drill field. So here is part of her hands here and some flowers. Interesting. Everything looks clear to me. I think it looks good. I don't know. What do you guys think of the canvas or the drill field? Where are those colors that were dark on dark? So remember on this sheet of paper we had E, and I was like, this might be hard to see. Where is it? 41 might be hard to see because it is dark on dark. So here I found E. And it's actually not that dark of a background. So it is, don't mind my gross fingers. It is easy to see. So that won't be an issue. I think the drill field is really clear. I'm happy with it. Again, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Here's the detail in her face. And we'll do a sticky test just to make sure that it is sticky. Let's see. Is it sticky? It is sticky! Okay, now I'm going to do a tour of the canvas and then we'll take a closer look at the drills. That is a little tour for you. We'll open up these drills and take a look. I'm not going to show you all of the colors because I'm too lazy to show you each color. And I know not lots of you guys like the drill train. Let's just take a look at some of them. We'll take a look at the ABs too, and then we'll see where they go on the canvas. Okay, so let's take a look at the dark drills first because the dark drills are usually the ones that have issues, if there are any issues. Wow, look at them. They're like faceted. That's so cool how they're faceted. Are these resin drills? I believe they're resin drills. That's so neat. Okay, so these look really good to me. What do you guys think? Take a look at a brighter color. I'm not seeing any issues that stand out to me with the drills. If you guys see anything, comment down below. Interesting. I really like this kit. I love how the drills are faceted. That's so pretty. Okay, now let's take a look at the ABs. Here's the green color. I love how they're faceted. They glow even more, or they sparkle even more. And then here's the orange AB. So the bags are labeled. They do have the number of the color, the DMC, and I believe this one is the weight, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so number, color, DMC, weight. So if you kit up using the numbers or if you kit up using the DMC, these bags are labeled for that. Let's take a look to see where these ABs go now. We have the two ABs. One is the yellow, 743, and one is the green, which is 906, so F and T. Let's see where these go. So we have some Fs along in her hair, like they highlight her hair. So here, and then where else? Anywhere else are there Fs? There's some more Fs in her hair here. And there are some, where are the T's now? So we're looking for green lowercase t. So there's some green lowercase t's here, all along here in the feather. I believe this is feather coming out of her hair. So not a lot of ABs, it looks like. That's the one thing I would say, like if they want to improve, they could add more ABs. But overall, I'm very happy with this kit. Like, I think the detail is there. I really like the rendering. And it's going to be a nice mixture of color blocking, but also confetti. So color blocking is when there's one color in a large area, and then confetti is like this area here maybe is an example of where there's multiple colors in a little area. So it's not multi-place or heaven, but it's still like, it's not going to be, it's not confetti heavy in my opinion. So this is my Oraloa diamond painting. What do you guys think of this kit? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. I really like the rendering. I like the canvas. It feels nice. It is, I think it's a soft lint. Don't quote me on that. The drills are really nice. I don't have any issues there. The one thing that I wish they would change, and I'm going to communicate this to them, is having more ABs. I don't know how the other kits are. I do have 3 more kits. Yes, 3 more kits on the way, but this is the first one that I received. I will communicate with them about the ABs, so we'll see if the other kits have more ABs in them. I really like that it comes with a label sheet. This is so helpful for kitting up, and I do like the basic toolkit that it came with. I think that's good enough for new diamond painters to use to complete this kit. But again, let me know. I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below. I am an ambassador for Oraloa. You can use my code if you'd like to save 10% off. I don't personally get anything if you use my code, but my code is BEVBEE, B-E-V-B-E-E, one word, and you can save 10%. I'd appreciate it if you did use my code, but if you didn't want to use my code, that's fine with me. If you like diamond painting and you like diamond painting videos, unboxings, tools and accessories, etc., etc., I post new videos on an almost daily basis, so make sure that you gently tap the subscribe button, tap it, and join my hive. I'd love to have you. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!